Hello traders. Welcome to another video from TRADxAI. In this video, we will be going over how to use the DOJI Scalper with TRADxAI scalping suite. This is a really cool strategy with really good winning percentage. So, we are going to go over it bit by bit and talk about it. So, let's get going. This is the chart of Ethereum/USD and we are on daily time frame. To add the DOJI Scalper to your charts, go to the FX Indicators button, click on Invite Only Scripts, then click on TRADxAI Scalping Suite. Now that we have the DOJI Scalper on the charts, let's learn about it. The TRADxAI DOJI Scalper is our most basic trading algorithm. It is based on candle patterns that show potential market reversal points. The script has 5 different types of signals which can be individually turned on and off. DOJI signals are based entirely on the DOJI candle pattern and 2 strong and weak candle reversal patterns. On the script, we also have Tweezer Scalper which uses Tweezer candlestick pattern for signals, Oscillator Scalper that uses RSI for signals, Reversal Scalper that points out reversal areas, and Engulfing Scalper which uses engulfing candles for signals. The DOJI candle is one of the most famous patterns followed closely by price action traders. A DOJI forms when the opening price of a candlestick is the same or almost the same as the closing price, regardless of the price range. This pattern is an outcome of indecision in the market. A DOJI candlestick suggests a lack of control in the market either by the bulls or the bears. DOJI candle offers traders an early warning that there may be a change in market momentum or a possible change in direction if current conditions don't change. Remember that the possibility of a change of direction does not represent a guaranteed change of direction. You want to have more than one of the 5 signals on your charts to increase the probability of winning. Let's look at an example. On this chart, here we have DOJI sell, an oscillator sell signal, and price drops. Here, we have reversal sell, an oscillator sell, signal and price drops. Again, reversal sell, an oscillator sell, and price drops. For all these signals, you can place a stop loss above the high of the candles to limit your losses, in case it doesn't work out. So that is it for now. Today, we learned about the DOJI Scalper trading strategy and how to use it efficiently. Please check out the links in the description box for more information. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions and subscribe to our channel to watch more content like this one. That's all for now, thank you for being here. Take care.